ain't gonna change now.
Hello, how are you all? Friends, today we will learn about the amazing blue sky tone preset filter. So we present you some samples in it. Now you see how this image was before and how it is now. Friends, we hope you will see our video complete. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the light option. Friends, you have to reduce the exposure to -0.20 after the light option is gone. Then you have to increase the contrast to +20. Highlight you to 60. Now friends, we have to reduce the shadow to -40. Now you have to reduce the white to -35. Now friends, we have to change the black to full +100. Now friends, after this process, we have to go to the color option. Friends, you have to do the temperature, 16. We have to do the same vibrance, but we have to do it +16. Now we have to increase friends saturation to +10. After this, friends must check once that we have done this process or not. If we have done everything perfectly, then let's go to the color saturation option. Now friends, what we have to do here, friends, we have to increase the saturation of all the colors we see here by +20. Like I am now, friends can follow me. After this, friends, we have to go to the vignette option. Texture you have to increase to +10. Bring clarity to +30. Reduce dehaze to 20. Vignette to 25, friends. Now reduce the midpoint to -40 man. Increase feather to +65 has been plus for a long time. Turn roundness to +30. You have to increase the highlight by 10. Grain amount to 20. Increase size to 30. If you do not know of the roughness, let us go. After all this, we have to go on sharp option, guys. Sharpening you have to increase 30. Radius 1.10. Increase the detail to 30. I don't know masking. Sorry, masking you have to increase to 15. Increase noise reduction to 5. Detail 60. Increase contrast to 10. Increase brother color noise to 15. You have to do the detail again 60. Now friends, after all this, increase the smoothness to 80. Now friends, check once we have done everything right, or else I will check and show you. Right friends, we have processed everything correctly, so there is nothing to fear. Guys, we have to go inside the profiles filter. After going inside it, select what you like. I mean, it was not so. Friends, we only have to select the fourth one. After selecting this filter, you have to increase its saturation by 10 to 110. You will be able to see that our image has been successfully edited. So friends, I copy its settings and show you whether this setting applies to other images or not. As friends, you will be able to see that we have successfully edited these copy settings. So friends, like this for today, share it and do not forget to subscribe. Goodbye. And enjoy the video.